familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I wanted to do a Christmas unboxing. I have been doing this Christmas unboxing I think for the last 2-3 years maybe. This is the box that Drea has sent over to me for the holiday season. I exchanged Christmas gifts with Drea as well as Lisa. Both of their channels and Instagrams will be linked down below. They're both ladies from Canada. I love them very, very much. They are amazing people. I've known Lisa a little bit longer than I have Drea, but I mean, they're both amazing. If I could ever go to Canada and meet them, I would be so ecstatic, you guys, so ecstatic. Hopefully in the future that'll happen. Obviously with everything going on in the world, those chances have even become more slim than they were in the past. So today we decided to do our unboxing. I have unboxed Lisa's. Lisa's posted hers on Instagram, and I also posted mine on Instagram. So if you want to see what Lisa got for me this year, I have that on my Instagram page. She is more active on Instagram, so that's fine with me, and I did it there. Drea wanted to film, and of course I said, yes, let's do this. So everything is wrapped individually. We typically wrap everything individually, so I'm just going to unwrap everything with you guys on camera. So there'll be a lot of editing because it's going to be a hot mess and taking my time with certain things. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash by Japan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with this unboxing. All right, so the first thing I could tell you is a pen. I've said this before, and I don't know if many of you guys know, I love collecting pens. I have pens from all over the world, pens from all over the States, anywhere I've visited. So this is perfect. Now I have to keep it away from my kids because it's fuzzy and they're gonna wanna play with it. The next thing I do see is this. This is a Be Kind Products. Ooh, it's a Konjac, I don't know how you say it, Kojak facial sponge. So it's one of these like ones that you wet. I've seen these, but I've never purchased one. So this will be fun, and I love it. It's my favorite color. This one is Can Never Have Enough Lashes. I know. Oh, I love these. These are amazing. I love these. Ooh, look at this. This is, oh, look at that. And I'm running out of lip balms too. So this is lip balms. I don't know. Oh, London Drugs. Look how cute these are. Again, I'm gonna have to hide these from my girls because they love to grab stuff like this. Apply to clean dry lips as often. Oh, how nice. Mango, strawberry, and vanilla. BH Cosmetics, one of my favorite formulas. What? Cream Lip Trio. What? Oh, look at the colors, you guys. I don't want to take forever, but these are the colors right here. And these are cashmere creams, comfort lipstick. I wonder what they look like. Oh, they're all sealed. Oh, look, it's these. All right, and this is a pretty shade. Okay. Oh, it's a wand. Can you tell it's been so long since I've actually purchased any lip product? That is really nice. I like how that feels. So this one came with a trio of 3 shades. Look at that. Oh, fair warning, my inventory numbers have gone up because of Christmas, so prep yourselves, you guys. Prep yourselves. All right, I'm just opening them up. Shiny. Ooh. Ooh, oh my gosh. No! Anastasia Loose Pigment. Oh, you guys know I love pigments, and this is in the shade Crystal. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't want to open up because I don't want to make a mess, but that's beautiful. Isla Bonita is a single by NARS. Oh, I've never heard of this one. Oh no, it came broken. I'm gonna have to fix it. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna have to repress that one. Ooh, I got a single in Teal Shimmer by Anastasia. Look at that. That's pretty. I don't own any singles from Anastasia. I think this is my first one. I actually don't. Oh, look. I don't own any of these either. This is the Wet n Wild Wizards in Training. Look how pretty that is. I don't own any of these. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff. Canadian. I don't know what that means. Oh my gosh, I love Annabelle. I love Annabelle. Lisa was the one that got me into Annabelle. Let's see. I think these are, oh, these are hard to pull out. This is a blush. Ow, 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 that hurt. Rosewood blush. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is so nice. Ooh. Oh, that is bright too. Look how pretty that is. And then this is, oh, a highlighter. Ooh. Let's see, what finger have I not used? Yes, that is pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. It's like a subtle highlight, but you can still see it. Oh, that's very, very pretty. She did get me a ton of stuff. Ooh, let's see what this is. Ooh, hemp's, oh, nice. Herbal hand and foot butter, limited edition. I love this stuff. Yay! Definitely could use it for Mr. Man's foot spas because he loves to grab my foot spas. I would love to try this, but you are way better at posting reviews than me, so review it and I'll decide. Did you guys notice her wrapping? Look, I'm going to show you her wrapping. It's little doggies. Isn't it cute? I wonder if Leo's in here. I don't see Mr. Leo, but I do see my nephew. Mr. Valentino's in there. Oh, wow. I've heard great things about this one. This is the e.l.f. highlighting palette. Ooh. Yep, I'm definitely going to use this. Great formula. Let's see. I really like this wrapping. It's so cute. Oh, my. Oh, my gosh. This looks so nice. I've been tempted, but you guys know I'm trying not to buy any bronzers. I've been tempted. Yes, this is gorgeous. I could tell that I'm going to love this one. This is in the shade Capri Natural. And the second shade. That's very, very pretty. I love that one. I've eyed that one for a while and never have. Not sure if these are any good, but hoping. Oh yeah, she did mention to me that she was going to send me these up just for the sake of time. These are from Clara Cosmetics. She sent me Ibiza and Abu Dhabi. Here are the shades on the back of these. So I'll definitely test these out and share with you guys. Look at the actual packaging though. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty design on the eyeballs. So I'm going to assume this one right here is like blue and purples and this one's like greens and golds. See this one. Oh my gosh. She went above and beyond, let me tell you. And I specifically told her that I wanted to do more curated, and that's what I did. So my gifts aren't as much, but oh my gosh, she went above and beyond. Drea, you went above and beyond. You should have not done this. Wow. This is all Lise Watier. One of my, Quo and Lise Watier are my top favorite brands in Canada. Love their stuff. So in here is, oh my gosh, you seriously, and I still have a ton to open. This is the Twist and Sharp eye. Ooh, it's an eye pencil. Ooh, what is this? I know these are lip products. This one is Bisque. Oh, is it a concealer? Yes, it is. 2-in-1 concealer. Oh, look at that. Nice. I didn't know she made those. This is in the color, oh, I don't know. I can't speak French. That one's beautiful. I've owned some from her in the past from Lisa, and I really enjoyed her formula. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a lip balm. Whoa, did you see that? Look. It's like this. And then it's a lip balm. Wow. I'm curious about this color. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a crayon. That's really neat. Oh, and it clicks. That's cool. Little things that make you, oh, yay! A lip liner, right? Yes, a lip liner. And that's a pretty shade right there. Oh, that's really nice. What is this? Eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty that packaging is. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Let me try not to blind you guys. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. And the packaging is, I'm telling, Lise Watier has such amazing packaging. Oh my gosh. Over the years, I've gotten quite a bit from her, from Lisa and Drea, and oh my gosh, her packaging is to die for. And I don't fall for packaging. That's one of the brands I love the packaging of. This is a blush. See, look at this. Where the heck did you find this? I didn't even know this existed. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's like a glowy blush. Wow. And depending on where you place it, that's the color you'll get. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Wow, this is beautiful. The compact is stunning. Like, I just want to keep it for the compact after I'm done with it. From off your wish list. I wonder. I did that video, you guys. What? No way. Remember I showed you guys? No way. Oh, it's all, look, my nails are chipping from me opening these up. Oh my God. Oh wait, can I do it this way? Yeah, I think I can. Oh my gosh, no way. Let's see. Come on. No way. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how pretty these colors are, you guys. Yes. I forgot that I had told her my wish list of palettes. She kept asking me which ones I wanted. And then I did that video of palettes I wish I would have gotten this year. And this was one of them. Oh my gosh, the colors are stunning. Oh, and look, I love the mirror. I love my flamingo one. So this one, I'm so happy I have. And the packaging, it's so pretty. I actually have this kind of background on my computer. Whenever I sign on to it, it shows these palm trees with like a sunset. Because I love the beach. I love the summer. I am wanting summer to come back so bad. I only have like 3 more gifts. Oh wait, this one she said that, I remember her telling me this. This one that she didn't love, but she wanted me to give it a chance. And this is by Wonder Beauty, the Wondrous Fling. So I'm gonna try this one out to see how I like it. She did tell me about this one, so I did want to try it. So I'm gonna try this out. Ooh, I love this stuff. This is the oil-free gel moisturizer. Perfect, because I'm running out of moisturizer. Ooh, oh, mascara, yay, by Fenty. So I got mascara by Fenty. I got a detoxifying mud mask. Ooh, I like this one. I love these masks. I've actually been doing a lot more masks lately. I accidentally bought this when I already owned it, so now it's yours. I have done that. Oh, wow. No way. No way, no way, no way. This is the Makeup Forever Starlit Glitter in S806. I love the Makeup Forever glitters because they're so finely milled and so, wow. And it's like a purpley shade. Look at that. I love these. Oh, I love these. Thank you. I'm kind of happy that you accidentally did that. When I saw the swatches, I had to have this. So I bought one for you too. Twinsies. No. I was eyeballing this and I said, no, Alex, you don't need it. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. You guys, seriously, grabbed all of this for you and your girls when my store closed. Oh, that was nice. Oh yes, we could definitely use these. Nail therapy, nail treatment. I love this. Oh, dry hands rescue. You have no idea. This is definitely going to come in handy, specifically for me who's constantly washing their hands. No way. Oh, Drea. Oh, I love this. Look at how cute these are. Oh, I'm so rocking these too. Oh my gosh, I love things like this. Look how cute. Well, the girls are gonna love this too. Look at this. Oh, I love these. These are definitely coming to me. The girls aren't getting that one. Oh, and look. Ooh, it's stuck. No. There it is. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. I could actually wear this now. Let's wear it right now, shall we? Look how pretty that looks. Oh, I love it. Yep, sticking that on. I love that. All right, last one. packaging was too gorgeous to pass on. Hope the formula is good. Okay. So I'm assuming it's something she has not tried. Kind of looks like the MAC packaging, doesn't it? Look. Kind of looks like the MAC packaging. I wonder what this is. Oh, Makeup Revolution. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Is it? Let's see. What are the colors? What is this one called? I've never seen this one. Ooh, this is called the Crystal Luxe. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a dupe or very similar vibes to the Sultry palette. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Let's swatch some of these since I've been trying not to swatch some. Oh, this is glitter. Okay. Ooh, that is buttery. Let's try this one. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am shocked. Look at that. I am shocked. Some of these are glitter. Some of these are like pressed. Ooh. Wow. That's actually very nice. I know. Let me try to grab some that are not glitter. I don't know which ones are not glitter. Let me see. This one might not be glitter. Wow. It feels really nice. Let's try a matte. Wow. This feels really, really nice. I like this a lot. I definitely can get used to this. I might even have worn this for New Year's if you're watching this after New Year's. Very, very pretty, and I love the mirror. So there you have it right there. Very, very nice. And that's it, you guys. That is all she wrote on here. This is more than what I expected, more than what we agreed on. Thank you. Like I'm speechless right now. I really, really am. You guys, if you haven't checked out Drea, you definitely should. If you haven't checked out Lisa, you definitely should. They are some of the most kindest, nicest people you will meet. And it's not because of the gifts. Seriously, 2020, if it wasn't for these two ladies, we vented to each other. We have asked each other advices on life. And we've just spoken because we need somebody to talk to. It's just been so nice to have people on here that you feel connected to, that you feel you can trust. I've never met them, and I feel like as soon as I would meet them, I'd sit on the porch with a cup of coffee and just talk for days with both of them. I love both of them, and I cannot be more thankful that I love Drea, I love Lisa, and you guys, they have the kindest hearts, the sweetest hearts. Like, I'm blown away right now at all this stuff. Like, wow. I am so thankful, so very, very thankful for their friendships, honestly. So thank you, Drea. Seriously, thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for listening this year. Thank you for checking on me. Thank you for trusting in me and confiding in me this year. Like, I'm lost for words right now. Seriously, thank you. That's all I can say is thank you. Everything is appreciated. Everything will be loved. Everything will be used and abused. I promise you. I'm excited. I keep looking at everything like, wow, I love this color. This color. I'm like, ooh, I love it. Thank you again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've tried any of these products, let me know what you guys think. Which ones I should dive into. Which ones should I play with first. I will catch you guys in videos right over here. Thank you guys again. And thank you again to Drea. This was amazing. I'll talk to you guys there. Bye, guys.